Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to create animal icons in Adobe Illustrator, and in this part we want to create the L icon. Okay, start Adobe Illustrator and create new document, file menu, new, art and illustration. Select this pixel, color RGB, create. Okay. Now we want to create a rectangle with no fill color and just stroke. Click the artboard, set size to 60, 70. Okay, that's right. And align to artboard, horizontal and vertical line center. Okay. Now we select two circles, move to up like this, and select this circle. Okay, no, direct selection, this point. Okay. Okay, that's right. Now we create eyes and select live still, click stage and 6, okay. Zoom, direct selection, select bottom, enter and delete. Okay, now move to the face. Zoom out. Control C, Control F. Paste in front. Select two item, Control G to group. Select two items. Align to key object, select key object, and okay, center. Ungroup. And now we want to create node. Okay, now create polygon tool. Click on artboard. Radius set to 7 pixel and size to 3. Okay, and now we rotate. Okay. And now select this and this point, change corner. Okay, that's right. Sure, select to item, key object, select key object. Okay, that's right. Okay, now we need to create some additional elements to make the owl look like an owl. And now let's add the circles around the eyes. Click, set to. Okay. In this. And select two item, key object, yes, okay. And Control CF, select the item, key object, and select. Okay. For eyes, we can select stroke and change a stroke cap to round cap, and select left eye. Okay, it's beautiful. Oh, I forgot to round the top of all head. Okay, select to enter point and add to corner radial like 22. Okay, now move eyes and additional bottom. Okay, and we can stroke to 2. And not weight 2. Okay, that's good. And all have ears tool. Select the polygon tool and set up radius to 5 and size to 3. Okay, and select object, go to effect menu, wrap an arc, set arc to vertical, set preview. Okay, those I set to 20, vertical just 20. Okay, and go to object, expand appearance, because we want more transform. Move to body, rotate about, move. Okay, Control CF, move, select, arrange, select, transform, reflect, vertical. Okay, move. Okay, move and move. Now select here and face, Pathfinder. Okay. Okay, it's good. We have some extra point. Select, zooming. No, this. Move, select this enter, move to this. Okay, now we want to create belly, create ellipse tool, create 40, okay, and move to this. It's okay. Now in this step we want to fill or all with color. Select eye and fill B09BD. Okay, we want to create to this. Change this color and select C59FFF. Okay. Select arrange center back. Select arrange center back. Okay, and now the nose. Select shift color to maybe this color. FF2A 54. Okay, and the body, select shift to maybe this color, for example, FF6A87. Select center back, arrange center back. I'll now select this, shift and okay, FFB4F5. Select arrange to center back. Oh, choose it. This and select I. Select around the eye. Arrange blank front. Select this, 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 this. Send bring to front. Okay. And arrange send to back. Select arrange bring to front. Arrange send to back. Okay, that's right. We want to select this additional element with a no border, no stroke. And now we can change the color of stroke. Select all stroke and maybe the color to H91A00. Okay, finished. Control, yes. Good luck.